Hello, I'm back. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, I'm back. Um, long time no see, guys. How you guys doing? How's everything
Hello,
going? I'm back. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, I'm back. Morning, morning. Um, long time no see, guys. How you guys doing? We have my
how's
main watch
everything
today. It's
going?
I'm
Apple
back.
that I'm
Happy
already
Tuesday.
in.
Happy
We
Tuesday, I'm
have
back.
Roku
Morning,
that
morning.
I'm already in.
And I'm
Long
watching
time no
AMD.
see, guys.
AMD.
How you
I'm
guys
not
doing?
in. We have
And I'm watching
my
AMD.
main watch
Hello,
today. It's
you
Apple.
can
Back that
hold
I'm
Happy
already
Tuesday,
in.
my
Happy
Legos.
Tuesday,
You
I'm
guys
back.
have my
Roku
Legos
that
on my
I'm
Discord.
already in.
Long,
And I'm
long
watching
time no see,
AMD.
guys.
AMD.
How you
I'm
guys
not
doing?
in. We have
And I'm watching
my
AMD.
main watch
Level that I
today.
want to
It's
see.
Apple.
Back
That I'm
Happy
already in.
Tuesday, my
Happy
Legos.
Tuesday,
You
I'm
guys
back.
have my
Morning,
Legos
morning.
on my Discord.
Already in. And I'm
Long
watching
time no
AMD.
see, guys.
AMD.
How you guys
I'm not
doing?
in. We have
And I'm watching
my
AMD.
main watch
Level that I
today.
want to
It's
see.
Apple. That I'm
Happy
already in.
Tuesday, my Legos. You guys have my
We
Legos on
have
my
a bunch of
Discord.
data,
And
and
I'm
I'm
watching
watching
no
AMD.
see, guys.
AMD.
How you guys
I'm not
doing?
in. There should be no more echo now. Um, okay, there should be no more echo now. So I've been pretty active on options. I haven't traded any futures for like few days. But okay, so I'm holding some Apple, I'm holding some Snow, just runners on Snow. I have runners on Crown Strike, and I have a full position on Roku. So my full position is on Apple and Roku. I kind of want SPY to pull back to 459 so I can trade that pullback on futures. I want to see SPY on 459, 460. Let's see. Apple, the key level here for Apple is to hold 192. Okay, AMD is holding my level. Yeah, let's see what I want to get on on AMD, what contracts. I'm gonna go with 133 calls on AMD. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. I feel it's a little bit early, but I do kind of like that level. Let's see if AMD can hold here because the so far SPY and the gear looking kind of weak. What I'm watching is everything that I posted on my Discord. So you guys have it on you guys have it since before 7:30 in the morning. So you guys have what I'm watching and why. And what are my levels? Yeah, and why would I be looking to enter and where? You guys have what I'm watching on my Discord. And most of the time, I will say 99% of the time, I'm only trade what I'm post on my Discord pre-market because that's my plan and that's my watch list. Yeah, I do trade futures. I do trade futures. I'm waiting for 460, 459 on SPY to trade futures here. Ooh, look AMD, beautiful. Let's see if it's gonna break above this gap because now what I'm seeing is AMD is feeling this gap that it made from yesterday's close to today's open. So we need AMD to break 134 and use it as support to keep going higher. But for now, it's feeling the gap. Ooh, look, beautiful, beautiful AMD. But yeah, 134. Um, it's the level to break and use it as support. No, my Discord is only for my watch list, so you guys have what I'm looking to trade pre-market. So basically, you guys have on my Discord, what's my trading plan. So even if I don't trade, you guys have it and you can trade it without me. I only trade what I post there. So here you can look. Here's my Discord. So you guys have here every time I start a new stream, you guys have it here. And then if you guys want the info about my mentoring program, you have it here on Elite Mentoring. It's a 2 weeks intense mentoring program with me. And for the premium part, you guys have my levels and what I'm looking to trade on SPY in the queue, and then the three or four charts that I'm looking to trade. So for today, I post Roku because I'm already in Roku. I post Apple because I'm in Apple. I post AMD, and that's why I took AMD. I said AMD is my main watch if pull back and holds 132, 132.50. And my other one that I was looking to trade was Meta. So basically, I had AMD and Meta for possible plays, and because my main watch that I post here was AMD, that's why I took AMD. So basically, you guys have my plan and what I'm looking to trade before the market open. And maybe you're new to the stream, but you guys know the ones that I always hear know that I'm all that I trade what I post here. It's too easy. You just have a plan, you have the levels, and then you just see how it reacts to the levels and you enter there. Let's see if Apple can hold 192, but it's looking very, very weak. I don't know why it's Apple is so weak. Okay, so I'm taking some profit here on AMD because that's the first that was the first PT and that was hit, and then we need 134 to hold that support. What is Meta doing? Oh yeah, it's having too much trouble at 326. So my plan for Meta here, I post Meta here. If can hold 326 as support, I like Meta for a possible move to 332 first and then 340. But because Meta is not even holding 326, I'm not gonna trade Meta. In fact, if tech is weak, Meta under 326 could be a good short play. But I'm not looking to short anything because the market's been super bullish. So for me, the trades on this bullish market is to wait for pullbacks and buy the dip, pretty much. I'm holding runners on AMD. As long as it's holding 132, I'm holding. There's this why you had to take it very early. You had to take it very early lost. I don't understand that. Like, why? I don't get it. What is a why early lost? So there's there's I don't understand why you lost on that one on AMD, because AMD, the plan is hold AMD. Well, my plan is to hold AMD as long as it's holding my level as support, which is 132. So it makes no sense. Like, the video is delayed, like the delayed on the video is 20 seconds. So even if you guys enter in after me, it makes no sense, because you should be following the plan. You guys have the plan pre-market. You don't need me to tell you when to enter. You should be like you guys have the plan pre-market. So saying it's because the video is delayed 20 seconds, it's an excuse. I'm not saying about the delay. I'd say it's because AMD is still holding above 132. So it makes no sense to sell AMD. You guys need to be patient. Even if we like, the only way that I will get out of AMD is if it loses 132. If Meta is not holding 326 as support, it's not a good buy. It's under your support. It's basically using the support as resistance. So don't force a trade. You guys need to be patient. Why forcing anything? Damn, Meta. Okay, now I can say, okay, Meta is bullish now, because it broke 326 with a strong candle. But it needs to hold there. It needs to hold 326. I am trading futures. I am. It's just, if I don't see an entry, you guys need to be patient, really. If I don't see an entry, I'm not taking anything. Well, I don't know how you do it, but I don't check. I don't. I don't. I never check my P&L. Never. I don't see my P&L. Never. Like, I don't have my broker on my computer. I have it only on my phone. So, if you guys don't see me like looking down, it's because I'm not looking. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I'm looking my broker. If not, I have no idea what's going on with my with I don't know what my P&L is doing. I only trade levels. It makes no sense trading based on P&L. That's gonna make you emotional. I gave two entries on Snow, one yesterday and one on Thursday. So I don't know if you guys are new here. I think I see a few of you here, but my trade is based on patience and level. If I don't see my level holding or my level rejecting, it depends what I'm looking to trade, I'm not entering. If if something happened like Meta, that my level was 326, but Meta is way above there and it's not giving me a pullback, I'm not gonna entry here. So if I don't see like any like good level that I want to trade on futures, I'm not gonna trade it. So my trading is not like I don't trade the first few minutes after the market open, even though I took today AMD very fast. But my trade is slow because I wait for very strong levels to hold, and then I look for entries there because I like to get a big move. And I'm not a scalper. I can do a scalp, but I don't like scalping. I prefer to just be patient and then enter for like 100% gain, 50% gain. I'm not looking to trade in and out like for putting my money on the line for 5% return. So, and if I missed an entry, I just miss it. And I look for another trade on another things or just don't trade. My trading is all about patience. I'm glad some of you were patient enough and are banking on AMD and follow the plan. Morning. Morning. The video only have 2 likes and more than 100 people here. What are you guys doing? Or now I see 35 likes. No, I scalp on futures. I can't do swing trades on futures because I don't think you can swing trade on prop firms. Look at this. This is what I'm saying about being patient. You guys are saying like because the 20-second delayed. So let's just say I enter before this huge move or right in the middle and you enter after. You should have been patient and waiting for a pullback. Look, you got another opportunity here. You got another opportunity here. And it makes no sense that you're losing money on AMD. Like because AMD kept holding 132, 132.50. That makes no sense. That means you guys are just following me blindly, which is what I don't want you to do. I'm liking Roku here. It's holding 100, 101. I'm already in Roku, but I think it's giving you it could give you a very good opportunity here. It's consolidating inside a flag and it's holding my stop loss is 100. So I think Roku, as long as holding 100, I think it's fine to play the upside here. Okay, Apple is holding 192. Crown Strike is still looking pretty bullish, looking beautiful. I bet none of you guys are still in this one or Snow. Who's still holding either Roku or Snow or Apple? I want to see who was patient enough and understand how my trades work. Okay, I'm gonna start entering with a Q here. It looks like Roku needs a little bit more time. It's taking forever. So I really like the technicals on Roku. The thing is that it's taking forever and we have FOMC tomorrow. So if Roku doesn't move today to at least 104, you guys need to make the decision if you want to hold through FOMC tomorrow, which I think I'm going to. Mm. Apple's looking beautiful, and it just gave you another entry. Okay, so we're looking good so far. We're looking pretty good. Who's on the queue calls or trading futures with me? Nice, nice. So yeah, on that futures trade, I think I'm gonna hold as long as it's holding the VWAP as support, and Apple also does the same thing because the Q, SPY, and Apple all are looking the same. Nice. 394. Yeah. Who's on Meta? So Meta, you had the level. So yeah, I already said my stop loss on the Q play. My target, I don't really have a target there. I'm just gonna see how it's gonna move. But your target should be the next resistance. Shares on futures? Futures are futures and shares are shares. That's two completely different things. Futures are contracts. Kinda like options, but with no risks. And shares are shares. Mm, Another thing about my trading is that I don't like jumping around and everything that is moving, which is, I think, that's a very bad way of trading because you're getting on something and you just get right out when it gives you like a green or a little bit of profit, and then you jump on another thing. So how I trade is that I just need one good trade, and that's it. So I'm on AMD, I'm on Apple, but I'm on AMD today. I got in AMD today with a big size because I knew that I needed to follow my plan. I got on Apple, I think yesterday was, let me see. Yeah, yesterday with a big size because as long as it's following my plan and it's not losing my stop loss, I'm just holding. And I don't need to just go in on 192 and get out just when it gives you like one green candle. Because my plan is 196 on Apple. My plan on AMD is 136. And I just let it ride. With the Q, my plan is to just hold unless it loses VWAP, and my PTs are all next resistance. So you have 398, which was resistant in the past, and I can see it rejected pre-market. And then we have a big level here around 399, 400. So that's it. You just enter, and it does. If it's not losing your stop loss, you just let it ride. Obviously, taking profits on the way, but you just being patient and see it how it move. In fact, I still think the Q is a good entry if holding here around 320, 396. That's my full size. Yeah, that's my full size. Okay, I'm watching this level here on SPY needs to break here and use it as support because that's yesterday high. SPY needs to break that level. Anybody got on Roku or Apple on that 192 pullback? Roku is looking great. Nice, nice. You wanna see a spy holding here. This is a key level for spies, yesterday high. Morning. That's great. You're using Apex. Nice, nice. Now you just gotta start practicing and trading. Okay, so no idea. No idea. Honestly, no idea. Okay. AMD, so beautiful. I don't need anything else. As long as AMD keeps going higher, we're eating. I'm eating big because I went with a big position here. I don't like this rejection here on SPY. Oh, we want to see a SPY holding 462 and use it as support. But I think Apple moving higher is gonna help. Yeah, I do think like getting evaluation accounts and practicing only paying the monthly fee instead of practicing with your money is definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I got 40 contracts and I sold 10, so I'm holding 30. But yeah, I don't go by percentage. I only look if I want to see how much gains I'm making. Yeah, you should check percentage because at the end the percentage is the same if you have like $1,000 account or 100K account. What matters there is how much like the percentage and the risk to return that you're making on that trade. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, 136 is my main PT on AMD. So I'm gonna sell I'm holding 30. I'm gonna sell 25 there. 25 contract and just leave 5 runners. In fact, I'm gonna start selling now because it's near that level. So you wanna sell before it hits that level because on important levels can have a strong reaction. So even though it looks pretty bullish, the Q is looking pretty bullish, so most likely it's gonna help the move up to the upside, but you just wanna always lock profits, always, no matter what. So yeah, I don't talk about that here. So AMD it's over 100%. So up to you guys if you wanna sell, you wanna buy more, what are you doing with that one? And I'm gonna start locking profits, a little bit profit here, holding 4 runners. Mm, no, I live in Miami, but I'm from Venezuela. I'm not American. Okay, who took Roku? Look, Roku. Roku is looking amazing. With patience, I think Roku is gonna boom boom. Yeah, don't forget to give likes. Like. I got monthly. I'm sorry, weekly. I just need Apple and Roku to move to make my week, and that's it. I don't need to try anything else the rest of the week because I've been killing it with options. With Snow, Crown Strike, those two looking beautiful. Huge win on Snow. I had a huge win on Snow. Very, very good win on Crown Strike. I'm still holding a little bit of both. On Crown Strike, I'm holding bigger position than Snow. Snow, it's only runners because Snow hit my main PT and higher. Mm, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. The only thing that I want to see here are likes, which is everything that I'm missing. You guys have no idea how much those likes mean to me, because if I don't see likes on the video, for me it's like people are not really liking the streams. So I feel like there's no point for me to doing this. Like, it's not worth it. Okay, I like this. If this 30-minute candle is gonna close like that on SPY, it means I think SPY is gonna go back up to 450, 464 because this 30-minute candle is looking pretty bullish. But for me, AMD, it's pretty, the trade, like the trade, it's pretty much done. Yay! So it means you're learning a lot on the mentoring. Crazy. Super happy for you. The mentoring is working out. Mm, I'm happy. I'm glad. I'm glad that helped. Mm-mm-mm. Well, yeah. So when I said AMD trade's pretty much done for me because my PT is already hit, but that doesn't mean it doesn't look bullish. Like it's still looking, like I said before, it's still looking pretty bullish. And I think as long as the SPY and the Q keep going higher, AMD is gonna keep going because right now it's one of the strongest. Nice, nice. Yeah, this is what I like. This is what I like. My purpose with this stream is pretty much I'm just talking out loud what I'm seeing on the stream on the charts, right? So I just say whatever I see on the charts. And the thing is like I want you guys to be able to just take your own trades. So this is only me talking out loud, and if it helps you in some way, shape, or form to improve your trading, that it is. Like that's making my day, my week, my month. More than just making a good trade or making money. No, yeah. What strike I have on what? Mm-hmm. On AMD, I have 133. Yeah, I'm walking. I'm walking. Maybe I can show you guys my setup. Let's see. So, yeah. So, I don't know if you guys can. Oh, wait. Okay. This is my trade meal. Then there is, yeah. Mm, I'm loving my walking pad. Yeah. Yeah, definitely a game changer because I realized that I was sitting the entire day on my computer. Yeah, no problem. So, Spy like you're kind of like stuck here. I wanted to see something like better, yeah, better, more bigger, a little bit bigger 5 minute candlesticks here holding. I took a lot of profits on Crown Strike. I'm only holding runners. Yeah, 250. Yeah, I know. So I'm not really looking at it, but I have alerts. So that's how I trade. I trade at the best support that I can find. My main PT is the next strongest resistance, and then oh wait, Mm. and then I have alerts. So these dots lines are alerts for me to take some profit on certain levels or round numbers. But most of the time I put alerts before my main levels so I can take profits quick before it give you like a strong rejection point or pullback. So yeah, if we want the market to keep going higher, SPY needs to hold this level here, 362, but it's rejecting there. Hmm. I don't like those candle having so many wicks at the top, which means they are like bearish. Rejection. Yeah, I'm getting out. So it looks like it stopped me out because I don't know. Oh, it looks like it stopped me out because now it's looking pretty good. Hmm. Let's see. I don't know. What strike? I don't know what strike you want me to say. Mm, yeah, I'm not looking to play the downside on anything. The market is bullish. If I see the market going lower, I'll just wait for a good support to enter long. I'm not looking to play the downside. The market's bullish, so playing the downside on a very, very bullish market, even though if you catch it, it's gonna be very risky. Ooh, I like that hold. It's gonna be very risky and not worth it. Just not worth it. Okay, I'm gonna enter here again with a small position on the queue for contracts. No, I'm gonna go with more. Yeah, I like that Apple is looking extremely bullish. SPY is holding. Yeah. Okay, I like that move. I'm looking for Apple to fill this little gap to 194, a little bit above 194 at least, and then if it breaks that resistance, I can see it going to 196. So that's my main PT for Apple. Yeah, I have 133 on AMD. I said it a bunch of time. I have 133 on AMD. That's my strike. But it's too late. You're chasing if you're looking to enter right now. The entry was around 132. For me, it will be too late to enter here. Just because how I trade. I don't like, I'm not looking for a small, to catch small move. I like taking the entire move. QQQ at 20? What? Let's see, when was QQQ at 20? Are you like 300 years, 100 years old? What is that? QQQ at 20. What? That's impossible. How will you be able to buy QQQ at 20? At what year did you buy QQQ at 20? No, QQQ had never been 20. And Apple too. Oh. TQQQ, not QQQ. Yeah. It's good for your brain. And women were good at multitasking also. I cannot say the same thing for men. You guys only can concentrate in one thing and one thing only. Hi, hi. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Is it me or the market is just not moving? It's impossible. QQQ was never in $20. Never. Oh yeah, so what I do is I just put alerts on everything that I'm holding. Alerts a little bit before my stop loss so I can be like looking before I hit my stop loss, and alerts near my BTs, and then I just go out and work out and I don't know, live my life. Oh yeah, you're right, Andrew. We have FOMC. So yeah, we have FOMC tomorrow. So yeah, most likely the market is just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen, even though it's always like the same thing. Like Powell haven't been saying anything different. Oh, okay, yeah, the split. Okay, yeah, maybe. Ooh, let's see how Apple contracts are moving from yesterday. Those must be up at least a little bit. Not much. The contracts are not really moving much. Yeah, bonds at 1, so I'll be out of here before 12. I'll not be trading with bonds. Rent in my area, very expensive. It's been crazy expensive the last 10 years. Huge Venezuelan migration here, so we pretty much bump it up all everything. Everything is expensive now here. Um, I don't know yet. Let, what's the calendar? Let me check the calendar. So, maybe on the 21st. Yeah, on the 21st. I use different time frames that I teach. I teach how I trade and how I look for entries on my mentoring program. So on my mentoring programs, I give you the how how I trade, how I plan my entries, where I look my entries, how I look my levels, and why. I don't know what's the average cost. And yeah, it's whatever it says in Zillow. There's so many things that I can change. The cost of living. It depends. You're looking like how many rooms, how many bathroom you want. There's a lot of condominiums here that have pool, that have tennis court, golf. So everything depends on what you're looking for. It's for 2 weeks. It's an intense 2 weeks program. Yeah, I hang out on Art Basel. Most of people from Miami hate the Art Basel week because the traffic is horrendous. Like the traffic here in Miami is very bad, but with Art Basel, it's like very, it's like horrible. But I love it. I love walking around, going to different like bars, trying new restaurants, seeing different people. I like it. I like the Art Basel. Back at all-time highs. So this is moving too slow. Even though I like this hold, I think the risk to reward here is not that good because if we're almost at all-time high, even though it's holding support, let me see. Let me see. Where is it's kind of messy here to find what's the next big resistance on SPY. So you can say 363, you can say 364, you can say 362. Like it's a little bit messy here. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, we are right at resistance and that I will say. But the main one is all-time high 466. I'm sorry. I was saying 366, but it's 466. 466, 464, 462. This is just not moving. No, I'm not. No, I'm not doing anything special for Christmas because I already did for Halloween and for Black Friday. If, if anything, in fact, I'm gonna the price is gonna be higher next year. So for next month, the price for the mentoring is gonna be higher. Okay, I'm getting a, what? What was that? Wait, wait, wait. I'm getting out. I don't like how the market is moving. It's kind of risky, not worth it. I have an extremely good week so far. what was that? It's almost 11, so it's kind of my time to get out of here. So, even though it looks good, like technically it looks good, I don't know if I want to hold or yeah, I'm all out on futures. Even though I really like this hold here, and I think there is, if you're scalping, could be a good entry. I just don't like how a SPY and the Q are just not moving and having so many wicks at the top, like going higher, but the body of the candle or on the bigger time frame are smaller, and it have wicks at the top, which means for me it's kind of getting tired, even though both are holding support. So for me here, after having such a good, amazing trade that I'm holding still some runners on AMD, and I have my little almost 300 gain on the futures, I don't really need to keep trading here. I'm also holding Apple, I'm holding Roku, I have Snow and Crown Strike. I don't need to put more risk on my portfolio. So I'm done trading. Yeah, I'm done trading for today. If you guys wanna like keep forcing trades, just use SPY in the Q as long as you're holding the Q 396 and SPY 462. Could be a good hold, but I think I'm done. I'm ready to eat and go to the gym. I'm done for the day. I trade from Monday till Thursday. So again, if you guys wanna like know what I'm doing when I'm doing the stream, you guys have it everything on my Discord. So you don't need to pay for anything here if you just wanna follow the Discord and know when I start a video. You have it here. It's going here, everything. If I'm gonna do a stream or if I'm not doing it like yesterday that I posted here that I was out of town. So yeah, you guys have it here. You have the link for my Discord on the description of the video and also here. Okay, so yeah, let's wait like until 11. Let's see what's gonna happen. But remember, we have at 1, we have bond auction. So please don't lose your money there. Make sure you lock your profit. Make sure you're not over trading. Remember, trading is consistency and keeping it green, not finding home runs. No, I don't like how futures move at night. Yeah, I'm holding 5 runners on AMD. I sold at 134. I sold a little bit of 10 around 134. I sold 20 at 136, and now I'm holding 5. 20? No, a little bit more. Yeah, but whatever. I'm holding 5. 5 runners. Look at this beauty. AMD looks so, so, so good. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous! What's the next resistance here? Is this all-time high on AMD? What? Oh no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, what's the next resistance here? Ooh, it's 140. 140. 140 is the next one. Let me clean this chart a little bit. Yeah, 140 is the next one. Dang it! Why did I sell the Q? Dang it! I'm so stupid. This was so perfect to hold. Why did I sell? Well, I know why. Because it's almost my time to get out of here and I'm hungry. And I need to go to the gym. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine because AMD is killing it. So yeah. Um so I'm holding 5 runners on AMD. I'm only gonna sell those if for anything, if anything happen and AMD loses 136 as support. I'm selling that, so I'm gonna put a little alert there before 136, and my main PT now is 140. So 140 is the next one. 140 is the next one. Yeah, I'm up over 4K today because I'm holding Apple, I'm holding Crown Strike, and some Snow. Um, yeah. Whatever. Okay, guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm leaving here. Yeah, so if you guys see any pullback to 462 on SPY or 396 on the Q, maybe it's another good entry. But right here, it's chasing. The entry was when I entered and I was dumb to sell. That was a good entry. But yeah. That's awesome, Andrew. So yeah, I see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for everything. Not super, I'm not happy with the likes, but okay. No, of course I'm not. Paul is speaking after 12, I think so. Or at 11. I'll be wait. Yeah. You guys know that I'm only trading in the morning. Bro, I missed like $600 on the future play. But whatever. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. See you guys mañana. Bye.